आदरणीय शरद पवार साहेब, मंचावरती उपस्थित असलेले चंदनाजी महाराज, डॉक्टर संजय शर्मा, त्याचबरोबर आमचे ऑनरेबल जस्टिस चावडेजी, चॅरिटी कमिशनर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, इतर सर्व मान्यवर आणि ज्यांनी हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला असे ग्रामीण स्नेह फाउंडेशनच्या स्नेहा मॅडम आणि श्री गंगा कुमार जी. Cancer is a fight, and this fight we have to continue for years together, because whatever Dr. Sanjay Sharma has said, that so many hidden cases are coming up. It may be in lakhs, it may be in thousands, but so many cases are coming up in the private practice also, in government hospital also. And these cancer patients are getting treatment in Mumbai and away from the Mumbai. We say that there is a one train called, Sharad Pawar ji must be knowing about it. One train comes from the Madhya Pradesh. It is called a cancer train. And our Sant Tukadoji Maharaj Hospital and other hospital give them a treatment. Now the central government has started TCCC, Tertiary Cancer Care Center. And in Maharashtra, they have allotted at present 2, but definitely in near future they are going to give us 4 centers for the tertiary care of the cancer. हम लोग सब लोग डेंगू मलेरिया के बारे में बात करते हैं, स्वाइन फ्लू के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन जब कैंसर की बारी आती है तभी हम थोड़े पीछे चले जाते हैं. पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं, अंतरात्मा में देखते हैं कि कहीं मेरे घर में तो कैंसर नहीं है, मेरे किसी रिलेटिव को तो कैंसर नहीं है. और हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर मेरे घर में होगा तो क्या होगा. फिर कहीं आर्टिकल आ जाता है न्यूज़पेपर में, तभी हम लोग सोचने लगते हैं. लेकिन हम लोग कभी भी अर्ली डायग्नोसिस करने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. अर्ली डायग्नोसिस एंड अर्ली ट्रीटमेंट इज द बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन फॉर द कैंसर. आज अडवाणी जी नहीं आए इधर, लेकिन अडवाणी जी का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं कि उन्होंने एक वैन तैयार किया है, और उस वैन में दे आर ट्रीटिंग द कैंसर पेशेंट, दे आर डायग्नोसिंग द कैंसर पेशेंट with the patch smear, mammography, sonography and other things. इलाज क्लास में तो कैंसर हो जाएगा तो we can go to the doctor, we can go to the hospitals, but there are thousands of patients who are lying in the rural areas of the Maharashtra which go unnoticed, unfortunately. Somebody talked about the tobacco chewing and especially the raw tobacco. I'm sorry to say that Gadchiroli is a big hub for the oral cancer for the ladies. So when I took over, it was a challenge for me to treat the Gadchiroli cancer patient. So we tried to set up an oral cancer detection unit in the civil hospital, because the method of the cancer is to treatment. Chemotherapy, radiotherapy will be the secondary things which they have to come to either from the Gadchiroli to Nagpur or to the Mumbai. If you go to Tata Cancer Hospital and if you see the oral cancer patient, as Dr. Sharma has rightly said, 25 years born, 30 years born, getting the second time treatment, second surgery, third surgery, fourth surgery. So surgery, one surgery, second surgery, third surgery. If you enter into the, I think everybody should go and visit the Tata cancer, and then only they will stop chewing the tobacco. So that should be what we are saying. Smoking is injurious to health. When we watch the movie in the theater or on the channels, only that advertisement is there. There's somebody from the cancer and somebody has got a tumor inside the oral cavity and post-operative care and how the care is to be taken. But we ignore. But if you go and see and visit the cancer patient and agony of the cancer patient's relative, you will be definitely get touched and you will advise the people not to take the tobacco. As I was talking to the Honorable Sharad Pawar, there is a huge lobby for the tobacco. They are promoting the tobacco. We have to fight with them with your help. Somebody has said, rightly said, that only government will not give you the sufficient, but NGOs should come forward and go to the villages and they should pass on this message that the tobacco chewing can lead to the cancer, oral cancer. As Dr. Sharma has rightly said that the breast cancer will be the dietary thing. The predisposing factor for the breast cancer is normally the diet. But here also the early diagnosis will be the best solution. Cervical cancer again. The hygiene is a major part and which is not seen in the rural areas of the Maharashtra, unfortunately, and the cervical cancer incidences are more also. Treating the cancer is the first thing, early diagnosis is the first thing, but we need to take the issue of the palliative care in the cancer patient. We should be able to teach the patient's relative how to dress the wound. Because every day the patient cannot come to the Tata Memorial Hospital and get his dressing done. So somebody should, from the family, should come forward to take the training of the palliative kind of treatment. So government has said that now we are starting with the palliative care center in our own premises near Pune. A palliative care department will be started and we are going to give the training to the patient's relative how to make a dressing, how to take care of the cancer patient, because if the relative comes forward, it will be easier for us to take the things. We are honored to say Tata Hospital has come forward and they have given a service to the government of Maharashtra, and we are running a concept of the cancer warriors in the 26 districts of the Maharashtra. The Tata Hospitals, newly educated doctors will come to our rural hospital or district hospital and they will run this cancer warrior concept and they will take the care of the cancer patient in the rural areas of the Maharashtra. So I am thankful from this platform. I pay tribute to the Tata Cancer people, Tata Cancer doctor, Dr. Advani, Dr. Sharma ji, those who are working in this fight. We need your support, especially for the anti-spitting drive, because we don't spit when we visit to the London. We don't put the wrapper on the floor of the road. We keep in our pocket. But when we come to Mumbai airport, after eating the chocolate, we just throw the wrapper of the chocolate on the floor. So we are educated, but we need to have that discipline which we follow in the foreign countries, because this is your own country, this is your own Mumbai, which is a business center and which gives rise to all the things to you. So dear friends, I am thankful to Dr. I am thankful to Mr. Gangaji for taking out this drive and calling me here and blessing the occasion, because cancer is everybody's close subject. It is a subject of the matter that person is going to lead for the future. So I thank you all, and I thank Sharad Pawarji also for being with me, because it is a great opportunity for me to be with such a great leader. Thank you.